Can you imagine living a life being unable to release your grip after shaking someone's hand, or having a muscle spasm every time you play your favorite sport? This is the experience of someone who is living with myotonic muscle dystrophy. What is myotonic muscle dystrophy? It is a degenerative disease that is caused by autosomal dominant genetic mutations, which lead to sustained muscle contractions, making them unable to relax. It affects 1 in 8,000 people worldwide and impacts their quality of life. Myotonic muscle dystrophy is classified into two main types: type 1, or DM1 for short, and the less severe type 2, or DM2 for short. Myotonic muscle dystrophy type 1 has an onset between birth until 10 years old. It is caused by an affected gene called DMPK. The role of DMPK gene in muscles is to provide instructions to make a protein called myotonic dystrophy protein kinase. The function of this protein is currently unknown. However, scientists suggest that it might be involved in communication between muscle cells, cardiac, and brain cells. Myotonic dystrophy protein kinase also limits the functions of other important proteins in the body. For example, this protein kinase stops another protein called myosin phosphate, which is essential in muscle tension and relaxation. And that is why type 1 muscle dystrophy can lead to symptoms such as facial weakness, characterized by hollow cheeks and dropping eyelids, weakness of hand and foot muscles, resulting in inability to grasp an object or even walk. In very severe cases, it appears in infancy, with a baby being born with weak respiratory muscles, which lead to difficulty breathing, or irregular heartbeat due to cardiac muscle weakness, or even cognitive impairment. Myotonic muscle dystrophy type 2 appears in adults between the age of 20 and 50 years old. It is caused by an affected gene called CMPP. CMPP gene provides instructions to make a protein called cellular nucleic acid binding protein. This binding protein is found in many tissues in our body, and most abundantly in the heart and muscles. The function of this protein is unclear. However, research has found that it might control the activity of other genes responsible for regulating muscle contraction and relaxation. This is how CMPP mutated gene in myotonic dystrophy type 2 can lead to symptoms such as hips and thighs weakness, causing difficulty standing up or doing cycling exercises, as well as affecting shoulders and elbows, which makes it hard to lift an object. Unfortunately, there is no cure or treatment to slow the progression of myotonic muscle dystrophy. However, researchers are working hard to find strategies to combat this disease. There are current therapies only to manage the symptoms, such as cardiac pacemaker to retain heartbeat to normal rhythm, or porta ventilator with face mask to support weak respiratory muscles, or cognitive enhancement therapy. And this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.